What's up fellow Grey Mains, here's a video on how to get the plate gloves of the Shadows in Crimson Desert. This piece of armor gives you 18 points in attack but only 3 points in defense. Aside from those, it also has climb speed and swim speed multipliers of 2%. Now this awesome piece of gear ain't very easy to acquire. The location is to the very west of Hernand on the edge of the map, below the river. It's a place called Everfrost Cave, which is located on top of the mountains. Now I'll be honest, the journey there isn't going to be fun, since you'll have to navigate through rough terrain and different perils wherever you start from. If you've found and unlocked the Abyss Nexus to the east of it, it'll make things easier, just in case you die midway or accidentally go out of bounds and get reset. I suggest unlocking the Abyss Nexus first. Now just follow the markers I've placed. So far, this is the only way I've tried that worked. Now ride your horse and trek through the snow towards the waypoint uphill. If your horse can't make the climb anymore, do it on foot. You'll have to hike and scale some cliffs. It'll be easier once you get to the top. Now what you'll be looking for next is a blue cave. Just go inside of it, and eventually you'll find a chest inside along with other extra stuff. Loot the chest, and you'll get your classy plate gloves. Congratulations! And that's about it. If this video helped, don't forget to leave a like or comment, and subscribe to the channel for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope to see you in the next video.